Hello, today you will take your first step toward being a game developer. And the first step is downloading and installing the game engine. In our case, that's Unreal Engine 4. Open Unreal Engine website. You can find the link in the description below. Click the download button. Create an Epic account. Don't forget to read and agree to the terms of service. Sign in. Read the end user agreement. And then proceed to download. The download file should show up automatically. Save the file. After the file finishes downloading, open it to start the installation process. Select the location and then click install. Once it's done, wait for the launcher update to finish. Sign in. Go to the Unreal Engine tab. Click on Install Engine. Select location and click on Install again. Wait till it's done, then click Launch to start your Unreal adventure.